So here we're going to get started with this delicious filling for the red velvet sweet potato pie. It's going to start with a cup of mashed sweet potatoes. I just boiled these until they were soft and mashed them up. And then here's the red velvet part, some buttermilk. I like to keep this on hand a lot throughout the holidays for biscuits, pancakes, cakes, pies, you name it. So, and then I have a cup of sugar, some melted butter, and then eggs. Here is another layer of that red velvet flavor. We have some cocoa powder, a little salt, some cinnamon. Give that a little mix. And then the red portion of this, which is the red food coloring. And we want this deep, delicious, beautiful red food coloring. So red color. So we're going to add a good amount of this. Okay, we got that sweet potato mixture, and now here's the cocoa powder red food coloring portion. Let me just get this in, and then we're going to give this a good mix. Now here I've already rolled out my pie crust and got it in the pan. I will link my favorite pie crust recipe, but I do like to make a lot of these ahead of time because I know when the holidays are here, I like it to be easy and convenient for myself to make some good, delicious desserts around here, even pies also. So we're just going to get that mixture in here, and then we're going to set it to the side while we work on the cream cheese swirl. Okay, so we're going to get started on the cream cheese swirl part of this again to elevate this to a whole nother level. Little cream cheese, some sugar. I have little vanilla and then an egg. Now we're going to get some of our cream cheese mixture in. I like to take a spoon, just kind of put it in sections here on the pie. And you can use as much or as little as you like. I find if you use little, it'll help get more marbleization. Okay, now I'm going to take my knife and kind of mix through here. Get a little swirl going. Okay, now I have a preheated oven at 350. I'm going to get this in for about 20 to 25 minutes.